Alright, so we out here in Bali, going to the waterfall. It's steep ass steps to go up. He told me it's gonna be 15 minutes walk.
You can take all this tree.
But I hear it now.
Take that guy.
So you gotta wait for everybody to come up the steps now. Cause there's only one set of people going up and down the steps at one time. So we're waiting.
Thank you.
Man, this is some real Bali village type setup.
Ah, okay.
Some type setup.
This morning it's still banana.
I don't know if you wanna get something to eat here. They got a pasang goreng, tau goreng, and they got kopi. They got kopi O and kopi C. Yeah. It says kopi right there. What are you talking about? Oh, they don't say kopi C? Oh, how do you know the difference? All right. Anyway, well, they had the kopi, but I made a faux pas. Allegedly, they don't have the kopi C out here. Only have the kopi. But this is a real jungle. Real jungle. Look at this. Whoa, he really in the jungle for real. Okay. Oh, this is what I heard. I didn't hear the waterfall yet. I heard the canal. The water rushing. Some animal just flew that way. I don't even know what that was. You okay, bro? Oh, it looks like water probably overflows up that way. Sure. Looks like water overflows over that way. Or wind water overflows. So it's pretty cool out here in Bali. Going to the waterfall, they have like all these shops that are set up all along the waterfall. All of these restaurants set up.
I can't take a video because it's hot.
All right, so let me get ahead of you.
I don't want to take a picture of me because it isn't talking to
Oh wow, look at this. It's a man-made canal, obviously man-made. You know. So I gotta ask, I wonder if this waterfall is man-made too. I guess we're about to see. Maybe I don't even have to ask, because when I see it, I'll know. You know? But yeah, this is some real jungle shit, bro. This is bamboo. It's bamboo, right, bro? Babe, it's bamboo, right? No, this is bamboo, right? Bamboo. Uh-oh, wifey getting mad because I'm not taking pictures of her. So, you better like, comment, subscribe, and share. So at least it'll be worth it for me because I'm about to hear earful about it. So. Alright, so this is part one, man. I'm gonna have to come back with part two. Because it's like a 20-minute walk. So it looks like they can close the dam with this. They turn this and close the dam. That's cool.